you're anything like me, you got into crypto to make some serious gains. And I'm going to help you in today's video make the most amount of money that you can, how to leverage the cash you have and turn it into some sick gains, life-changing millions of dollars of profit. My name's Kyler, and you're watching BitRush Crypto. If you guys do enjoy the content on my channel, do consider subscribing, tap on the bell to be notified as future videos drop, and if you are enjoying the content, make sure you tap on that thumbs up button as well to help my videos get out to more people just like you. And if you want to learn more about blockchain, the underlying technology behind cryptocurrency, I've recently launched a course which you can find a link below to get a special discount. You can also join my Discord community, which will also be linked in the description below. First 50 members to join up will be getting free VIP lifetime access. And let's go ahead and get into this content and teach you guys how to make those sick gains. All right, guys, so I don't want to brag, but during the last bull run, I did make a ton of money. A lot of the coins that I picked, my calls on my channel, were absolutely just bangers. 10x, 100x, some of them even did 1000x gains. So you guys are already ahead of the game just by being subscribed to my channel. I'm going to continue to drop new coins every single week, or at least every couple weeks when new coins pop up on my radar. Whatever I'm looking at, you guys can always get that access in the Discord chat. As soon as I'm onto something, I drop it right away in there. So that's the best place to be. But I usually do more in-depth videos on the YouTube channel here. So you guys, as long as you're following me, you'll get access to everything I'm working on. However, I know a lot of people don't want to spend the time to do the research that I'm going to be teaching you how to do in this video, which is why I've also created my BitRush's blueprint, bull run blueprint, which is essentially all the coins that I have in my portfolio for this coming bull run. There's obviously going to be new coins that pop up that we'll cover, but if you guys want to just shortcut the entire process, you don't want to do the research, you just want to steal my portfolio, go ahead and click that link below and you guys can access my bull run blueprint, BitRush's exclusive coin picks for only $19 US. If you guys can't afford $19 to potentially make millions of dollars to steal my secret portfolio, I don't know what's with you guys. You'll never make money if you're not willing to invest. However, I'm also going to teach you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys want to do the research yourself and figure out what type of coins are going to make those explosive sick gains, this is how I do it. So the first thing is we need to find a platform to research our coins. Personally, I like CoinGecko, but there's also CoinMarketCap and probably a couple other ones that I don't even know about. But as long as you have a place where you can go and research the coins and the networks and figure out what their official websites are and contract addresses, you'll be all set. And so again, I like CoinGecko. It's just coingecko.com. Here you're going to find all of the different cryptocurrencies that are currently on the market right now, ranked by market cap. Obviously, there's new coins popping on all the time, and they don't necessarily cover every single coin. So, you guys will have to do your own research. If it's like a meme coin or a new coin, but generally anything that's a legit project will be on here, and you guys can just come up here and search for it on the top. Are you ready to supercharge your investments? Then it's time to dive into our Crypto Mastery course. 8 intensive lessons, an exclusive one-on-one consultation, and a treasure trove of bonuses await. Act now for a special discount. Limited spots are available. Don't just invest, invest smarter. Use the link in the description below to claim your special discount and elevate your financial game today. The way we're able to find some of these sick gains during the last bull market was actually just coming up to the top here. And if you look, you can see by market cap. So if we go to low market cap coins, they're generally newer coins. You can also go by category where it breaks it down. And I'll show you guys they're just different L1s, stable coins, decentralized finance coins, exchange-based tokens, centralized exchange tokens, NFT projects, liquid staking tokens, meme coins, dog theme coins. I mean, they have it broken down here by pretty much anything you guys can want to search by. And so finding a sector and an industry that you're interested in and specializing in it is actually a really good idea. If If you guys know me, you know I generally like DeFi protocol, decentralized finance coins. That's where I've personally been able to make a good amount of money on. I just really like DeFi, and I'm good at doing the research and figuring out if the platform is going to be good or not. But I've also, you know, found some random other coins in a bunch of other areas. I do know one hot topic right now for this bull run is going to be gaming coins. There's also going to be a bunch of L2 coins, and you guys will learn all of this. I've broken down all the different sections that I'm looking at to invest in that bull run blueprint. So if you guys get that, I'll break down each one of the areas that I'm looking at. But essentially just find the different areas that you think are going to make money. Obviously stable coins aren't going to make us money because their whole goal is to stay pegged to $1. But pretty much anything else in here, if you guys dig in, you're able to find all those different coins. So that's a good step right there. And then again, if you guys like a certain chain, like maybe like Solana, you could also come here and search by chain. I really like Solana right now. There's a lot popping off on Solana, and it seems to be pumping here in the market, even though everything else is dipping. And so we could just come over to Solana, and we're going to get a full list of all the different Solana tokens, and we can just click here to see all. And you know, they don't necessarily have every single coin. Like I said, if there's like a meme coin or something new that pops on here, it might not be on here right away. So you might have to do some additional research and searching or whatever. But this is a good area where you can kind of just see what are the top market cap coins on the Solana network. We can also go down a little bit further. And keep in mind, the higher up by market cap are going to be the safer plays. And during this bull run, probably everything is going to do at least like a 2 to 5x. The higher coins may even do like 10x's. But the ones down lower is where we find those sick gains. So the risk level up here is a lot less, but the gains are also going to be a lot less. And not that, you know, 2 to 5x is anything, you know, small. Like a 5x is still a pretty big gain. But these are the safer coins to bet in, the higher the market cap. No guarantees with anything, guys, and obviously not financial advice. Nothing in this video is. Do your own research, your own due diligence. However, the further down we come by market cap, the higher potential gains we have. So essentially, the more money that's put in, the more liquidity that hits the network or that token, the higher the market cap is going to go. And therefore, the higher up they already are, the less room they have to grow. So by coming down here to some of these smaller ones, we can maybe do a little bit of research. If you guys really feel like a degen, you can go to like page 3 and just do some research on these coins. I'm not saying just start throwing money at any of these by any means. I'm saying this is where you go to find these coins. You can do the research and see what coins you think are going to be good based on the fundamentals, what the project is working on, what type of investments they have, all that kind of stuff. So you can see who those, you know, people that are putting money in, what type of people are supporting them, who they have partnerships with, what they actually do is going to be the most important thing, the utility of the token. But again, guys, this is how we would do it, is just coming down here and finding some of these smaller ones and doing research. This is how I made a good chunk of my money in the last bull run, was finding new tokens that no one really knew about, researching, finding the ones that I thought would be really good based on the fundamentals, based on what the project and the utility was, and putting a small amount of capital in and getting those 100x, 1000x gains on some of these like absolute degen projects. Okay, so that's essentially what you're going to do. Find an area you want to research in, go through, find some newer coins or even some higher cap market cap coins, and do the research yourself. So at this point, you're probably thinking, okay, well, how do I do the research? Okay, so here it is. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go to new coins. They also have new cryptocurrencies, and it doesn't necessarily mean that they're a new, brand new cryptocurrency. It means they've recently been added to CoinGecko. So keep that in mind, that some of these coins might be around a little bit longer. They're just recently getting added. So that's what it is. We come here and we see some. We can also search here by like, well, we have volume. We have last added. We do have the price. I thought they used to have a market cap here, a fully diluted valuation. So instead of the market cap, they're going to have fully diluted valuation. I feel like that used to be market cap. And so we can search by that as well to just kind of see where these coins are. Now let's pick one, and I'm going to show you guys how I would go about doing the research on one of these coins. So let's just scroll down and find something here that the price is kind of low. So super low. We have Bonk 2.0. We're not going to be doing that one. But let's just find something here with a total market cap like around $1 million. So fully diluted supply, we want to find at least something with $1 million, so it's not just like super degen. I think any of those, you can definitely make some money on those, but I would recommend staying away from them until they have a market cap of at least around $1 million. But here we go. So let's look and let's just find something right here. So we have like 20 million on this one. That might be a good one. 7 million on this game tournament trophy. We can find, let's just keep looking here. I'm going to see if anything piques my interest. We can also see the network they're on here. So we have like Polygon tokens, Ethereum tokens. I'm not sure what that one is actually. We have a Solana token, Cook here. So a lot of different AVAX, Land Wolf of AVAX. So that's the way you're able to do this. But again, I'm going to just refresh this actually and start from the top again. And so we can find some more of these like more legit tokens. Okay. And yeah, let's just scroll down a little bit here. I guess Cook here on Solana even only has 100,000 fully diluted valuation. It's a Solana coin, and it does have a 24-hour trading volume of 30,000. So right away, I'm not going to look at that one. Let's look here. Land Wolf on AVAX. I guess let's just pick this one. So the first thing I like to do is see market cap. There's no market cap for this yet, but if we want to go to the max on the chart, we can see what the all-time high and low is. We can also see the beginning of the chart here was only earlier today. So this coin obviously just launched. It's probably a meme coin, to be honest with you guys, Land Wolf on AVAX, just by looking at it. But we can see here what the all-time high was versus the all-time low. It's also going to be on the right here. So the all-time high, it's down 77%, and it's at the all-time low right now. So since it launched, it's done nothing but dip. It's only been out a few hours. So I'm going to tell you guys right away, I probably am not investing money in this, but just for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and let's look at the website here, and yeah, it's definitely just like a meme coin. And I'm not trying to knock these guys. I'm just not going to be putting a whole ton of money in this unless it's just like, a couple $100 and see if it does something good. So let's go back and let's find a different one. But that's a good example of right off the bat how we can like narrow it down and say like probably not going to be the best investment. You never know, maybe Land Wolf on AVAX will go to the moon and you guys will have watched me on this video pass on it. But again, let's go back up here and let's find something with a little bit more valuation, a little bit higher like trading volume. So we do have like 203,000. That's not bad. We have 1 million here on this one, 5 million on this one. Let's actually get off the new coins because, a lot of these are just like super, super new and they're just going to be meme coins and stuff that I'm not really going to be into. But if we go back to chains, let's go back to Solana again, where we were looking at before. And let's come down the market cap here a little bit and let's see if we can't find something like a little gem here. So I had to come back to page 1 and I found something that the chart looks nice here. Radium. Some of you guys may actually know what this one is. So this is the coin I already know what it is. It's going to be a good pick for us. But without me giving away, let's just go through the process here. And we can see rank 216. So already it's in the top 500. So if it's in the top 500, it's probably going to be a safer bet, but it's not in the top 100, which definitely gives it some room to grow. And then market cap here, we can see it does have already $200 million. So that's a good size market cap again. That's why it's ranked, in the top 250 at least. But still here, we know that what this coin is, and I'm not going to give it away, but let's just check it out. But I know this is going to have room to grow. Based on this, also, we could possibly double up to go to 500 million. We could get to $1 billion market cap, and this thing would essentially be doing like close to a 5x. So again, guys, good potential here. And if the whole market does, let's just say a 10x, and then this could do 5x on top of that, you're talking some pretty good gains there. Again, coming down to the max chart and taking a look at it, we started up here pretty high, so definitely some room to get back like I was talking about, possibly a $16 all-time high here, $16.83. We're current. Again, guys, what we can do now is take a look at the website and see what it is. And if you guys don't know already, Radium is one of the main swapping protocols, one of the main decentralized exchanges or index on Solana, so it's definitely going to have some potential value right there. And as you guys know, I love investing in DeFi protocols. So here we go, an avenue for the evolution of DeFi, light speed swaps, next level liquidity, frictionless yield. And we can read the docs and get into all the different intricacies of this, but I'm not going to do that in the video. We see the total lifetime value locked here, and it's built on Solana. What else they got? They got trade, yield, pool, accelerator. You play on their name there. Coming down, order book, AMA, automated market maker. If you guys don't know what that stands for, you get the best price swaps and permissionless liquidity. The website is legit. They have a Telegram and Discord and a Medium and a Twitter. Generally, I would recommend checking out all their social media, see what kind of stuff they're posting, checking out their Telegram or Discord, whichever one you prefer, seeing what the community is like, seeing if the community is growing, if they're active. We can check out the frequently asked questions. They do have a support thing, so that's pretty good to see. You can also just come over here and see some more of the information. Like I said, the documentation, and then that's pretty good. So like already right here, the website looks good. We know what it is. We can open the app and see the actual app. We have to agree to this. And we can see essentially, if you guys know like Ethereum, this is the Uniswap of Solana. So anytime I see a decentralized exchange or DeFi protocol, to me, as long as it's got good liquidity in it, it's already established, we know it's legitimate, it's probably going to be a pretty good investment here. So I would definitely 100% like get behind this token and put some liquidity in it. We're not going to be doing any investments today, but I just wanted to show you guys my basic process of how it's done. Essentially, that's it. We find the tokens, we look at the market cap, does it have room to grow? Is the project legitimate? Does it have social media? Does it have Telegram and Discord? Is the community active? Are they growing? What can the actual utility of the token do? And the utility of this token is going to be a swap, a DEX. So definitely some room to grow there. People love investing in this type of thing, especially, if you can put liquidity in and earn on it. That's always the best for me anyway. Those are the type of things I look for. So this one being right up my alley is something that I would 100% invest in. And actually, I don't have any money in Radium right now. I do have some money in a couple other Solana like DeFi protocols and things that I've made previous videos on. If you guys want, you can check out that video. Probably be popping up above right now. But yeah, I would be 100% confident in this protocol, this token. And so I know this is kind of quick and dirty, guys. I just want to show you my process of how I might go about doing some research. And obviously I would dig in a lot deeper, but I'm not going to give away all my secrets in this video, but this gives you an overview of the process of what I would use to find those tokens. So you guys do enjoy this type of thing. Make sure you watch some of my future videos where I'll go through all the coins I'm investing in and why. And again, if you guys want to just shortcut the process and find out what's in my portfolio right now, you guys can get that bull run blueprint, only $19 US. All of the links in the description below. And if you want to know more about blockchain technology so you can understand what it is you're researching, then I do have that course. I have a special discount for that right now. And if you guys buy both the course and the Bull Run Blueprint, you're going to get a special deal. So just add the course to your cart and you'll see a little upsell there, and you'll be able to get the Bull Run Blueprint for a special discount of only $7. That's with the course. So yeah. Check it out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit. I know it was fast and we just mainly found like a bunch of coins I wouldn't invest in, but sometimes you can learn more from that by seeing like why you wouldn't want to invest in something than you can why you would. We did find a nice token here, Radium. I do think Radium will probably do at least like a 10x during this bull run. So if you guys were able to get in, and it's fairly cheap here at 90 cents. If you put $100 in this, you could turn it into 1,000 pretty much easily, I think. Obviously not financial advice, just looking at what we found here. All-time high at $16, so I don't think it's out of, realistic expectations to get it back to a $10 range during this bull run. So I think this would be an easy 10xer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you tap on the thumbs up button, sub to the channel if you want more content like this. Join up my Discord chat if you want early access to everything we're working on, and I'll see you in the next video.